Now, this brow mascara it's lengthening, but it's very natural. So if you like very natural lashes, but you want your lashes to look long, this is a great brow mascara to use. Now, it's dual-ended. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the thick, fat end first. Then we're going to use this thin end to define. So the fat end makes your lashes look longer, and the thin end defines. So firstly, I'm going to teach you a really easy way to apply your mascara. You can do this so quickly and it makes mascara foolproof. All you do is hold the wand and blink onto it. You don't move the wand, you just blink onto it. Now, the reason I'm teaching you this technique is because as we get older, our lashes don't seem to grow as neatly as they once did. They kind of, some are shorter, some are longer, and they kind of crisscross. So when you just blink onto your mascara like this, what it's doing, it's helping the lashes go into place, brushing them up. When you get your mascara and you go like this, all that does to mature lashes is kind of like make them all go crisscrossy and cloggy. So hold and blink, hold and blink. It is so, so easy. Now look how much longer my lashes look with this lovely brown mascara. Okay, let's do the bottom lashes. Now to do the bottom lashes, I'm going to use this thinner end. And to do my bottom lashes, I just almost stamp on the root and then just brush down. Stamp on the root like that. Can you see it's like a little stamp on the root? Now by stamping on the root, what this does, it creates the look of a lovely frame around your eyes, okay? Because even if you don't have a lot of lashes on your bottom lashes, you still want to get that frame around your eyes. So just kind of stamp on like that. Then I'm going to use this thinner side to just hold the wand vertically and just coat the upper lashes to add definition and further add length.
Get this long lash brow mascara
in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.